And from my family to yours,
Merry Christmas!
Ladies and gentlemen, and ladies, we are back in the shop again. You're gonna see this place a lot here in the next 3 to 4 months because it's getting really cold outside. Hope you all had a very Merry Christmas. I hope you guys are gonna have a wonderful New Year as well. But in today's video, we got some accessory mods to go over, some to install. Hope you guys are ready for it. We're gonna get to the giveaway winners here shortly, so stay tuned for that. Don't go nowhere. Okay, yeah, you don't go anywhere, okay? Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yeah. But we got a lot of mods to put on. Some are easy, some are hard, and then one we're gonna talk about at the end of the video. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna work from easiest to hardest. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, make sure to leave a like rating. Also, let me know down below, what other modifications do you guys wanna see me do to this? I will say, I do have 2 other ones coming. One is really small. The other one, well, what we're gonna do today, we're gonna have to make a little bit of space for. So let's get started on it. I'm excited to see what this baby will look like when it's done. She looks really good now, but I think she'll look much better here shortly. Just to let you know too, all of these mods and even the 2 that I have coming are all under $100. Now the one we're gonna talk about at the end, a little bit more expensive, but I think it'll be worth it. Let's get to the interior and throw the first one in. Okay, so the first one we're gonna do is, the only tray Honda provided was the one for the change. They didn't provide anything in here. So off Amazon, I got a tray that separates all kinds of stuff, and it even came with little rubber bottom pieces. So let's drop it in here and see what it looks like. As you can see, the compartment fits really well, really snug. Change holder can go here or here. And then it just picks out just like that, and you got your stuff underneath. And you can put your change back. And then I also got something else that goes along with that. It goes in here. That's another cool one. And it also comes with some pads. You can throw a pen in there. Really good. All kinds of other things. I mean, you can throw that in there. Gum. I mean, you can throw all kinds of stuff in there. I really like that. Yeah, cool. The second thing I got was a set of window vent covers for the rear glass here. The only issue is that it came in gloss black. That's the only thing I could find, but I do have a can of matte spray paint here. So let me know in the comments below. Leave a 1 if you want me to leave it gloss. Put a 2 if you want me to make it matte. And unfortunately, we're not gonna see what it looks like matte, but at least we can see what it looks like gloss. Now the same thing's gonna go for the third thing I'm gonna show you here. Okay, so the third thing I'm gonna show you is, see if you can pick it out real quick. See if you can pick it out. What's the third thing I'm gonna show you? 3, 2, 1. Side skirts are on. So I got these side skirts off eBay. They were under $100. There are 3 pieces, just like the front lip. The only issue is, it's gloss. I couldn't find a matte one. But like I said, I have matte spray paint, or I painted blue just the color of the car. What do you guys think? Again, leave a comment below. 1 for gloss, 2 for matte. I think though with the gloss wheels, it being in the center of that lower, it actually looks pretty good gloss black. It doesn't look terrible having the front lip matte. I mean, it's hard to tell a difference. I know the car is dirty. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. There is an install video coming for the side skirts. That'll post probably 4 or 5 days after this video, so stay tuned for that. Now on to the fourth thing, we're gonna have to go outside. I'm gonna interrupt this video to get to the giveaway. I got 2 special people that are gonna do it for me.
Merry Christmas, everybody. It's myself, Haven. This is Allison. We're gonna be giving away this week's giveaway. We've got last fit, hazard, and reverse lights. We're going to be pulling out our 2 names to see who the winners are. Allison, can you do that for us?
Of course.
First name is...
The first winner is Sin Shark.
Sin Shark. And the second winner is...
And the second winner is Nate Adams.
Congratulations, gentlemen. You are the winners of this week's giveaway. And what do we say?
It's time to get back to the shop.
So what do you think number 4 is? I'll give you 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. No, it is not the reverse lights or the hazard lights. It is the lower lens sequential lights. Check them out, they are awesome. Again, they're under $100. I got them on Amazon. I think they were like 45, 50 bucks. Definitely worth it. There is an install video coming up here in the next 4 or 5 days, so stay tuned for that. If you're gonna do it, make sure to watch that video first. Unless you're good with car wiring, you're gonna need a friend. I think I have to say, this is my favorite out of the 5. All right, let's hop back into the shop. I got something pretty exciting to tell you. Now, the 5th thing we need to talk about, unfortunately, there won't be a video on it today. That video will come in 3 to 4 weeks. Reason being, I need someone else to help me. I cannot do it myself. In fact, this person is gonna help me a lot. It comes in this box right here. It's from Speed Lab Racing. If you know who Speed Lab is, then you probably know what this is. Put it to you this way. If you don't know, oh, it has something to do with this. I hope you guys are looking forward to that video. I can't wait for it. I've been looking forward to it for a while. I just haven't been able to get it put on. So in about 3 to 4 weeks, we'll be messing with that. It'll most likely be a 2 or 3 part video. So if you're looking forward to that, leave a like. If you enjoyed the video or you're looking for any of these accessories, links are in the description below. But ladies and gentlemen and ladies, I hit my mark. I hit it, I can't believe it. I'm so ecstatic. I hit 1,000 subscribers. I can't thank you guys enough. Like truly, I really can't. It blows my mind. And actually I'm at like 1050 now, which is incredible. I can't thank you guys enough. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna do another giveaway. This will be the last one for the year. So next year, keep an eye out. We'll be doing some more in the videos to come. Don't worry, I'm not giving that up. You guys are killing it too much for me to give that up. So what the giveaway is gonna be this week is, I'm gonna give away either $100 eBay gift card or $100 Amazon gift card. The winners, you will choose which one you prefer. And to be in the running for the giveaway, it's really simple. Number 1, you gotta be subscribed. Number 2, you gotta leave a like on this video. And number 3, just leave a comment. I don't care what it is. You say hi, J, K, LMNOP, I don't care. Doesn't matter what the comment is. If you comment on this video, you are in the running for one of those $100 gift cards. And as always, the giveaway ends the Saturday after the video is posted for the giveaway. So make sure you're getting your comment in by January 1st by 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, New Year's Day. But if you're looking to get any of these products, the links will be in the description. Make sure to go check that out. And this was your boy Miller. I will see you in the next one.